And the seventh biggest mistake I have seen business owners do is pretend that tax issues can be ignored. I'll give you a story. I had a prospective client that I did a complimentary coaching session with, and so we went through all of these issues he was having. He was falling behind on a lot of different issues, and I said, here's what we need to work on. And he said, you need to address this, this, and this. Some of it was tax issues with tax authorities. And he goes, well, come back to me in 6 months. I'll work on that. Came back 6 months later, he hadn't done anything. And I told him, I said, you know what? The Department of Labor isn't going to take this well. You have to get your business back on track so you can start paying all of this tax liability you have. And he goes, well, come back in 3 months. And maybe we'll see if we're ready to work with you then. Came back in 3 months, rolled up to the door, padlock chain on the door with a big red notice from the Department of Labor basically saying, well, you are now closed. And I've seen this so many other times. I mean, that's just one example. I have multiple examples of business owners who, when they get notices from the IRS or from Labor and Industries or whatever, that they just ignore the notice. You can't do that.